In this video, SuiteTrails takes you through our top picks for finding fantastic apartments in the charming town of Quedlinburg, Germany. Join us as we uncover 5 unbeatable deals that make your move to Quedlinburg an absolute breeze.
Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description.
Altered Toff offers guests a comfortable stay in Quedlinburg, located just outside the heart of the historic old town. This charming apartment complex is conveniently situated near both the train station and the city center, making it easy for visitors to explore the local attractions. Each unit features parquet floors and comes equipped with everything necessary for a pleasant stay, including a fully equipped kitchen with an oven, a dining area, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, and a private bathroom featuring a shower and a hairdryer. Rooms offer a safety deposit box and complimentary Wi-Fi, ensuring a smooth connection during your visit. Augustiner 26, nestled in the heart of picturesque Quedlinburg, offers a charming abode, just a brisk 11-minute stroll from train station Quedlinburg and a leisurely half-mile journey into the historic heart of town. This beautifully appointed apartment boasts a spacious terrace, ensuring every guest enjoys stunning views of the surrounding landscape. With its prime location, residents have easy access to numerous attractions within walking distance, making it perfect for those seeking a blend of urban charm and relaxation. Whether exploring the quaint streets of Quedlinburg's old town or venturing out to nearby parks, the apartment ensures a seamless experience. Ferienwohn Quedlinburg Hearts offers a charming accommodation nestled in the heart of Quedlinburg, just 17 minutes walk from the bustling train station and within easy reach of the historic old town. This well-equipped apartment features a cozy one-bedroom layout, complete with a fully equipped kitchen, including a dishwasher and a coffee maker, ensuring guests can prepare their meals with ease. Guests will also appreciate the complimentary access to both Wi-Fi and on-site parking, making their stay comfortable and convenient. Situated at the heart of the enchanting medieval town of Quedlinburg, the historic half-timbered Ackerbergerhof offers guests an authentic retreat within easy reach of historical sites and natural beauty. This charming apartment complex boasts 3 distinct accommodations, designed to cater to diverse needs and preferences. Each apartment features modern amenities such as flat-screen satellite TVs and a fully equipped kitchen, complete with a stove, dishwasher, and refrigerator. Linen and towels are conveniently provided, ensuring comfort throughout your stay. Spacious living areas and private balconies create inviting spaces for relaxation and outdoor enjoyment. Ferienwohnung Kaufmannshof offers guests a charming accommodation located just 11 minutes walk from the bustling train station Quedlinburg and within easy reach of the picturesque old town. This modern home comes complete with a cozy living room, fully equipped kitchen featuring an oven and a coffee maker, and a tastefully appointed bathroom offering a shower and a hairdryer. Guests can enjoy their stay by relaxing in front of the TV, using the complimentary Wi-Fi service, which boasts a speed of up to 17 Mbps. The apartment includes comfortable towels and bed linens, ensuring a peaceful night's sleep. An additional amenity for those looking to unwind is the inclusion of a complimentary bottle of wine or champagne upon request.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.